Hey guys, going to do a review on the Walkinshaw long range fuel tank. This is about my 10th go at making this video. I keep making it with the mic in, with the mic out, with the mic not on and so on. So here I go, have another crack at it. But anyway, here's the long range tank. As you can see, it's quality. It's well finished, well made. One thing that we notice as the installer, and these are the things they don't show you on the brochure, and the sales guys don't even tell you this either. So the simple things like the breathers, how they do the breathers, the hoses they use, how they link up things internally, overall installation, they're the stuff us mechanics notice. And when you recommend a product, we go off quality, but we also go off how it fits as well. And this so far has been pretty good. So they're using all the Continental hoses, which are super flexible, allow you to route it over the chassis rails without fear of kinking them or squashing them and so on. They've obviously got the OE style breather up in the top corner. They've got the additional breathers which allow it to balance out the chambers inside, which help get the air out. And another cool thing is that they've actually taken the pressure sensor, which is part of their evap system, which is normally mounted on the top of the module, which is normally the highest point of the tank. They've actually taken that, because it's no longer the highest point, put it up here, which is out of the way. So when the tank's full, it's not actually submerged in petrol like all the other companies do. So that's a really cool thing. They've really sort of spent the time on working that one out. And they've also linked up the internal breather from the module, which goes up to the top one. And all these sort of stuff plays a big role in when you're filling the car up at the Bowser. So you got a 188 litre tank, and we get a lot of people who say, I can never ever fill it to the brim, I only get 150 litres. Well, it's because it can't get the air out of the tank, and it's getting air pockets and air locks. If you're putting the petrol in the tank at a fast rate, well, you need to be able to get rid of the oxygen out of the tank at the same rate or faster, otherwise you can't fill it. So they've spent the time and really done their homework on setting it up, and look, that's what you'd expect from Walkinshaw performance with something like this. It is of OE quality, if not better, So we got a nice stamping down here just to let you know that it is a WP, and all nice heavy duty brackets which are rubber mounted and so on. But Jade's in the process now of setting it all up. It is going into this 1500 right here. That's in for a Fury pack as well. So, but we'll get it in the car now, and we'll show you what it looks like underneath. So we've now fitted the tank to the car, and it is awesome. I am so impressed with the fitment of this tank and the quality, clearances, absolutely everything about it. It is top notch. Now, I'm not trying to sell this because I'm your local Walkinshaw dealer. This legit 100% is one quality fuel tank. The level is just, you've just got to fit one to appreciate how good it is. And after fitting this, it just goes to show that all the other stuff we've fitted in the past has just been so crap. So yeah, hats off to WP for absolute top job. Absolutely, we'll be recommending these to every single customer of ours. Just a beautiful tank, and I can let you guys make up your own mind after watching this video, but from a fitment point of view, quality point of view, this is the sort of tank you put in, forget about it, and it will never give you a problem. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the review. And if you're in the market for a Silverado long range fuel tank, well, you know what I think, and you know what you should do. So see you around. Thanks for watching.